We sourced and restored a hardtop for this 280SL as it did not leave the factory with one. We completely stripped it to bare metal, and then it was painted an epoxy primer, and then the anthracite gray metallic. All the chrome has been redone. We added the optional chrome strip, so a ski rack or other rack can be added to the vehicle if desired. You can see all the chrome here. Let's turn it around. New headliner, new interior grab handles which match the cognac, all new rubber seals. These are restored. New wood with the correct new hardware. This has been recovered in cognac leather, which is visible when it's mounted on the car. New chrome handles here, as well as the part that goes inside the car. New seals. Everything on it's been restored. 100% new, even the hardware dent and chrome down here.